Okay, so just as a quick refresher, we're going to talk about how to access Google Classroom, how to access your Google Drive, and how to complete your interview assignment with your classmate. So we created this mock student just to show you guys what your perspective should look like. So I'm already logged in there. I'm already logged into my Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and go to classroom.google.com. Okay, and because I have already logged in, it's right there. Okay. So I can either scroll down and try to look for the assignments, like this one, or I can always go to my classwork. Got it. And I'm going to pick this one because I have not finished it yet. Okay, I'm going to view assignment. Now, in order to create a Google Doc, and for me to complete this assignment, I'm going to click right up here where it says add or create inside the assignment. So I'm going to add, create new, Google Doc. It's thinking. And then when I'm finished, I have to turn it in, but we're not quite there yet. Now that I have created it, I should be able to just click here, and it's already given me a title. It's got my name, the mock student name, and the assignment number. And now I'm going to let Jennifer talk because she interviewed me. So remember, you are writing about the person that you interviewed. So we're going to say this name. Go ahead.
Okay, so my name is Jennifer Gardner. I interviewed, today's date is February 5th, 2020. I interviewed Ashley Minso, I'm sorry. And so now I'm just going to introduce. When I write it, I want to write as if I'm telling the class about what I learned. So, dear class, I would like to introduce my friend Ashley. Ashley is from Frederick. She has one sister, and she loves living in this area. She is a teacher at FCC and enjoys working with English learners. ... So, and then you would just continue and tell the things that you learned about the person through your phone call. And remember, it could be a phone call, it could be a chat through text message, or it could be Google Hangout. But we've just demonstrated for you how to do a phone call interview and type it. Now, we're going to pretend that I'm finished writing about Ashley, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it in to your teacher. If you look up in the upper right corner of the screen where it says turn it in, there's a picture of a blue share, but you want to turn in. When you click that button, that will send this document to your teachers.
Yes, but let's say I forgot, right? Or maybe I'm not finished, so I need to come back to it. So there's two ways I can do that. So I can either go, whoops, I lost it. I can either go back into my classroom, right? And go back to my classwork. Yes, thank you, Google. Go back to view assignment, click on it in here, or I can always access it in my Google Drive, right? It should be the first thing that we have right here. Perfect, so you can do it either way. If I'm in this screen, there's also a turn in button. So if I turn it in, it says one attachment will be submitted. I'm say okay, because I am confident in my work and I'm done. Boom. That's it. Now Jennifer and myself can see this.
And if you look where on the screen to the right, you see private comments. This is where you can talk to the teacher about things, and the rest of the class won't see it. This document is your work for you to submit and have a conversation with your teacher and get help if you need it.
Oh, so that is our little example of how to complete your first assignment. If you guys have any additional questions, just let us know.